My name is Filippo Nassetti, and I'm a multimedia artist and computational designer. I am fascinated by the human body and intrigued by using technology to reimagine and remodel it. Much of my previous work focused on the surface of the body, the extension of it, the radical transformation of the external appearances. But in this project, my RCR AIR Residency, Breathing Architecture, we decided to do something different, to go under the skin, below the surface, to explore the dark, deep space within us. The respiratory system is an incredibly complex and beautiful architecture within our bodies, and I had the unique opportunity to explore it with the guidance from scientists at the Barcelona Supercomputing Center, whose research focuses on the simulation of airflows within it. The project started with the hypothesis that the mindset of an artist, trained to imagine and work with abstract ideas such as form, structure, flow, space, can be applied to deal with problems of modeling and visualizing complex systems within the human body. While a scientist views the problem through equations and mechanical physics, an artist envisions our internal bodies as spatial architectures, structures that can be navigated and explored virtually through highly realistic simulations, revealing their beauty and complexity. The fusion of these perspectives, the combination of analytical thinking and visual imagination, can offer a unique approach to tackle major challenges in simulating anatomical systems, and specifically the architecture of the lungs. By blending art and science, this approach paves the way for something innovative, potentially leading to new insights about our bodies. Throughout the residency, we work with high-performance computing to experiment with a number of ideas, collaborating both at a technical and conceptual level. The opportunity for a specific scientific development came up unexpectedly. During a brainstorming session, we noticed a similarity between some of my previous work and the microscope image of alveolar tissue within the lungs. The scale of these structures is so small that it cannot be scanned by existing technologies. So we decided to attempt constructing a digital model of it that could be used to study airflow and particle deposition within the lungs. And eventually, we were able to develop a novel, procedural approach to model these microscopic structures with scientific accuracy. BSc, with a team led by scientist Beatrice Guschizza, is involved in a project to develop the computational modeling of the dynamics of tuberculosis. They study the transport of inhaled aerosols throughout the lung to determine the probabilities of causing an initial infection. To this end, the modeling of alveolar tissues achieved within breathing architecture is determinant for the success of the research. Our findings have just been presented at the scientific conference in the 35th Parallel CFD International Conference 2024, and we are now writing a paper which will be published in the coming month. What was proposed as a research agenda at the beginning of the residency evolved into an operational methodology, validated by a proof of concepts and perspectives for further development. But the project not only contributes to scientific understanding, but also creates stunning visual representation of the lung's intricate structures. By applying artistic visualization techniques to scientific data, we've created immersive experiences that allow viewers to explore the lung's architecture from new perspectives. These visualizations serve a dual purpose. They aid in scientific communication and analysis, while also revealing the hidden beauty of our anatomy, inviting viewers to marvel at the complexity of human biology. The past year has been transformative for my practice. I felt the need to advance to a new stage of development, exploring new directions and finding new lenses to look at its core themes. And the AIR project has been instrumental in this process. The opportunity for an artist to contribute to the creation of complex models of the human body is very exciting. And we are now exploring how far this can be taken beyond the conclusion of the residency. The new modeling approach developed in the project has potential implications for personalized medicine. By developing accurate models of lungs microstructures, we may be able to predict how individuals respond to certain treatments or how diseases may progress. leading to more effective and tailored medical interventions. And beyond the structures that we worked on within the project, there are numerous other ones that could be explored collaboratively within the respiratory system and beyond, like the dendritic architectures of the brain or the heart and vessels of the circulatory system, to develop new forms of body architecture.